Hey everyone, we're here to demonstrate cleaning techniques for your LVT vinyl luxury plank flooring. What we have here today is a Cardine core lock product that was installed, and the first step in this process would be to get a Miele vacuum, preferably, because they have a nice tool with soft brush and little ventilated cut holes for added suction and cleaning power. So we like the Mieles, and they're going to be on sale, $100 off. I have 3 models, and I will post those models up after the video so you can see what we're offering for a couple weeks on special. So basically you're just going to vacuum the floor. You want to get all the loose grit out of the way. It's kind of like sandpaper if you don't. So to maintain your floor, you should vacuum at least once a week. Maybe in a kitchen area, you might do a little more often after cooking and such. But these Miele vacuums are super handy and they're easy to work. And one of the cool features is when you unplug it, it's one touch cord rewind. This Miele vacuum is the new bagless version, so it's got a lifetime HEPA filter that's cleanable, and you don't have to purchase bags. So now I'm going to introduce Ken. He's with Beacon Carpet Cleaning and Marble Life, and he's going to demonstrate the deep cleaning of the floor.
Hi folks. After a thorough vacuuming like Brett just showed you, you want to go ahead and spray an area with the manufacturer's recommended product. Here we go. Don't need that much. And then once again, you're going with the wood and you're consistent. Just back and forth. See, that area was about 2 to 3 feet in length. Once you get done with that, you just simply move along. It's nice and easy, it's simple, and it'll help preserve and keep your LVT looking as good as possible, and it's fantastic. Picking up our spots with no problem whatsoever.
So Ken, how many microfiber heads would you use? How many square feet would you use before you changed out that microfiber head?
Depends on my style, Brett, but usually I would recommend 2 to 3. Okay.
For a house of 1,000 feet or so?
Probably about 1,500, 1,600. I would, and you can see a little bit of transfer here. After I got out of the kitchen, I would definitely check the pad, and probably necessary to change your pad at that time.
Okay.
But it's simple. You do it on a consistent basis, you're going to be in good shape.
Thanks for joining us today.